Yeah, I pay 60 baht. So let's go inside of this beautiful temple. Yeah. So let's see what's inside the temple. Okay. So this is the entrance of the temple. So I give this and then I go inside the temple.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
So this is what you see inside the temple. Okay. So later we will go inside. Later we will go. But for now, let's check. Let's see. So this is the temple. Okay. Should I go live? Yeah. So many people are taking pictures. Yeah. Yeah. You see? They are all taking pictures. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what's inside the temple. This is very good. This is very good. Okay.